Welcome back to you. Today we're gonna be playing some treasure. Build a boat for treasure. Say hi to YouTube. Today I'm with Mr. Caleb over here again, and Mr. Supreme Dead Kill. I don't think he's talking. You're not talking. Okay, let's get it. What's good, guys? What? Wait, what if we make a how you all doing? Yeah, all good. We're all doing good. Asking you guys. Wait, how can I wait? I load my slot. Where did I load it?
Oh wait, what?
There's slots. Wait, why did you reset?
My slot's not there. Oh, I have to reset to build your boat.
Oh, okay. Subscribe, yeah! Need to reset. Oh, I need to build my boat. Alright. Now, let's build a big boat. Okay, let's build a big boat. Dude, you two! Okay, let's start up with this.
Remove it. I don't like it.
Okay, do it your way. I'm gonna put wood. Wait, who added that?
I think it was
Well, who added that? We're gonna add this thing.
Here, let's just build our separate boats.
Alright.
And connect them to each other.
Alright.
I'm like the best one here. I'm gonna be in the front. Actually, not the back. Because I need to make it to the treasure.
I wanna make it to the treasure. Wait, who's adding that? Was that you?
Where Supreme.
Supreme's adding that? Please don't. Come on. Hey, how do I put this? There we go. Oh, I don't have any more. Hey, can you move? Okay, thank you. Who's adding all those chairs? Right, and why are you guys adding it right next to my boat? You have the nicest chair ever. Now I'm gonna buy some more. What's a good one? I'm gonna buy the 45. I might get some good stuff. I'm just gonna cover up myself. Oh.
Save me.
Save you? From what? Get my box. Ah, just 2. Let's unbox some 5s.
What is finished?
Your boat is finished. That quick. Please don't accept yet, guys. I'm still not done. Okay, I gotta remove this.
Fan will work 100%. I tried it before.
That will work?
Oh,
can I sit next to you?
Box.
I never reached the end of this. I never reached it.
Cause the blocks will destroy the rocks on the way.
Wow, you got so much.
I don't.
Yes, look at all those. Those are not even all mine. I have less. I don't play this that much. This is like the second time I'm playing this. And I'm with you again. Supreme, sit next to Caleb, come on. If he actually hears me.
Yo, Supreme, sit next to me.
Yo, if he actually hears you.
Imagine.
Dude, you're making rain. Just adding some of these, some of that, everywhere. Then let's add some cannons. Cannons. Rotate in front. Add another one. This one is to shoot you down. So, I'm done. Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. I need to play some more.
Oh, I shot Supreme. Sorry about that. Oh, nice.
Just staring up for fun.
Don't start yet. Don't start yet. I'm just telling Supreme, don't start it yet. Oh my goodness, you got so much. Dude, you got a lot. Wow. You got a lot. That's... Supreme is not building anything around him.
He's just leeching off of people.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, I'm not done yet.
Wait, I didn't even bolt. Only Supreme or you. Somebody is is already said start. I did not say start yet. Bam! Shot you. Shot ya. I'm shooting everybody.
That's all my blocks. That's all I have.
This is all I have on my boat. Hey, why did he reset? You wanna go? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, you have who stopped it? Who stopped it?
I don't know.
Dude, let's go again. Who stopped it? We just lost a lot of blocks.
I think you need to start it.
I did start
I think
it.
you need to start it.
I did start it.
Well, I can't start it.
Start it, dude.
Well, I can't start it.
No, I'm telling Supreme. Supreme, start it. Dude, Supreme even did this. Aw, I just got glitched. I just got glitched. I just got glitched. Come on, Supreme. Come on, Supreme. Put me up. Wait, can anybody start it? Am I the only one who can start it? I just started it. Nobody. There we go.
No! No!
No! Wait, who stopped it? Dude, stop stopping it. I can't vote anymore. Oh, stop stopping it. How do you even stop it?
Even if one person restarts.
Come on. I'm just gonna unbox while I wait for you guys. Yes, we got a couple. Okay. Come on, guys, hurry up. Are you building a new boat? Is that all you have?
Start it. Start it.
I can't. Start it. Dude. Start it, dude. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Come on, dude. Later. Later, bud. We're doing a video right now, dude. Come on. Start it. Start it, dude. Come on. Is that all you're gonna use? A chair. Everything is not even coming with us. Oh, this is a great. This is great. Almost nothing's coming with us. Everything is at the back. Oh, everything is at the back. And I'm the front. I wish I'm the back. Why am I going front? Am I lighter? Am I seriously lighter than you guys? That's so much more
No,
than
no,
mine.
I'm the lightest. The lightest. But
Yeah.
things are pushing me back.
Yeah. No! Why am I first? I'm gonna die. I'm just using the cannons to kill it. There we go. To kill stone. That's not gonna touch me. I'm just killing bad ones. So we gotta go. Shot. Okay. This is nice hardcore. Oh, what happened?
BRB for like.
Okay. You're gone again? I can't wait for you, dude. Thank you so much, by the way, Supreme, for all the things you just gave me in Assassin today. Thank you so much for all that. That's why I'm putting you in this video. But can you please build your own boat as well? No, not. Oh no! I lost some stuff. I lost some stuff. Come on. Oh no! Come on, die. Come on. Sorry about how Caleb sounds. I don't know why he sounds like that. Come on, dude. Die. Oh, I killed one. Okay, we gotta go. This. I don't even know how I'm surviving like this. I would have throwing up right now if I'm like this. Oh no. We are not gonna make it. Probably not, because a lot.
Hey guys, my name is Ronald, and let me show you how much I make from YouTube.
I don't even make any.
Are you sure?
I will if I verify it. Your keyboard is so loud. He can't even come. How is he coming? I'm in clouds. There's like a. Oh, this is a storm. Oh no. Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. I can see chairs over here. I can see chair. Oh, I can see your chair right here. Oh, this was your chair.
Lagged out.
But it died though. You lagged out? Oh, come on. Oh no, I'm so. Oh, what? Lava? Oh, I hate lava. Oh. Well, I died. I don't even know what to do anymore. So, now I'm just gonna unbox some stuff. What? What did you just say?
Something.
Wait, you rejoined? I just accepted you, so. Okay, let's end the video here. I'm just waiting for my unboxings. Oh, I got a torch. Is that a torch? I don't know what that is. So, that's it for it, guys. See you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next
Ronald
one.
TV, cause I'm bad. Bye.
Say bye to YouTube. Say bye.
And bye to.
Dude, your computer, yours is so loud. Let's go. Bye.